Yeah. Are you exhausted today?
No, actually I'm feeling fine. Kind of excited.
Excited?
Yeah. You're feeling tired? Are you up to it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
So this is fourth day of our trip and we are already in Jasper. We had such a stunning drive from Banff to Jasper, and today we are going for a hike. Not very hard, not very easy, like okay hike, and we getting ready for our hike today, and later in the evening we gonna go to hot springs. So we're at the beginning of our hike. It's called Sulphur Skyline, and the beginning of a trail looks pretty easy.
Well, I wouldn't say it's pretty easy. The elevation is kind of steep. We're gonna do somewhere around 1,000 meters. So we're gonna hike up 1,000 meters. It's gonna take us 6 hours to go there and come back. Looks like there are a bunch of students, kids. They're trying to do the trail with us. So I'm confident that we'll be able to make it. Also, there's no internet connection around here in the whole area, the Jasper National Park. Not even at the coffee shop, so be aware.
It's a good boy. It's a good boy. It's a good boy. Oh, good boy.
Not bad. Look at this. What we have here. After 40 minutes hike. It's pretty nice, right?
It was longer than 30 minutes. It was more than 1 hour.
Okay. Well, Lira seems a little disappointed with the hiking trail. She thought it was gonna be more exciting, more
difficult,
more wild,
more challenging. And here we just have one path and we're just following it. But the view is beautiful. I like it.
Well, I enjoy it. This is my type of hiking trail, so yeah. See you on top.
I feel like top would be closed because we're already on some open space, and yeah, there is where we're going.
So this is like Norway.
This reminds me of Norway more than yesterday's hike because of the smooth green hills, not the rocky cliffy mountains.
The mountains look very different from the one we had on our first day with the hike.
here, Lord, is so beautiful. It's amazing. Life is good.
So windy, it's crazy. It's like you're flying out.
Yeah. Okay, so we reached top of the mountain. It was incredibly, amazingly beautiful. Such a wonderful views. And now we're going down, and after that we're gonna go to hot spring. But like it's super windy on top of the mountain, and so beautiful. It just mesmerizing. The hike itself is a little bit boring, but the last part is nice, pretty, and the top is actually worth it. Like the hike is not hard at all, and really good. How are you feeling today?
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
But today was easier one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
How far?
That's
Just
perfect.
here?
If you
Okay.
can, yeah.
As I didn't know, I guess.
Do you have some? I can
Bear on the tree. I don't know. I can't really see it properly, but there is a bear on the tree. That's so cool.